What is this? This is fire. Is fire hot? Yes, fire is hot. What is this? This is ice. Is ice cold? Yes, ice is cold. Hot day, cold day. What is this? This is a hot cup of coffee. What is this? This is an iced coffee. How do you make an iced coffee? Add ice to coffee. To make iced coffee. What is this? This is a cup of hot chocolate. How did you make it? Melt chocolate with fire